Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the V2 mini stand. Obviously it fits the V2 Mini, it also fits other mini grills like the Big Green Egg Mini Max and the Mardo Joe Junior. So it's an all-round stand for multiple grills. Right, let's get this box open. Whoa. Off she goes. You get instructions, make sure you follow those. So if we take out all the components, you got your bottom base, you got your slats, wooden slats to go with your base, you've got your nuts and bolts, the base for the grill, 4 wheels, L brackets for the wings, you got 2 wings, and then finally got your 4 legs. So we can take these off. And what I'm going to do to avoid the scratches, you want to probably build it on some of the cardboard that comes with the package, so we can avoid scratches and dents and stuff. Right, going on to the stage 1, you want the base. Got 2 M6 bolts to go in each slot, and obviously all that I do is you want to match these up, leg, yeah, perfect. Right, so on this bit here, you got the 2 here, that's your up, that's your bottom to match up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the first one here and then line this up to that exact position. So before I do that, let me grab the bolts and included Allen keys. So let's just double check, yep, make sure you've got it the right way up. Now when you do this, do not tighten it. It might even be easier to do the initial ones by your fingers, and then for the next one I'll just move that one over. Okay, and you just want to roll it to the right, have the leg under there, and again match it up. Right, so obviously it's just a repeat process for the next 2. Sorry, I don't really know what's happened to my hands. They've looked like they've been diseased in some way. 4 legs done. So you got the front there with the logo, and then the next step is to attach the bottom base shelf to the legs. So when you've got the brackets here for the wooden panels, you'll be facing downwards. Now this bit can be a little bit tricky. Yeah, so you just want that one in there, and then all I do is I'll do the next one opposite it, so then that will keep it all in place. And you'll need to come over this side just to push the leg in here, and then again get your Allen key and screw that in. Right, once you've done all the 4 legs, you can then give those a final turn. You want to make sure that the joint between the bottom base and the leg is completely flat, so you can see on this one it's still got a little bit of go. And what's best is just to give it a little wiggle. You want to make sure that's flush. Yeah, you can see that now, it's nice and flush. Legs are on, bottom base is on, top base is on. Screw in the wheels. So with the wheels you get 4 lockable rubber wheels. You want to lock the brake to stop the axis from turning, and then all that does is line up to each joint and tighten. And then once you get to the final bit, again just give it a good turn. And same process for the next 3. All 4 wheels are done. The actual base of the stand is now built. You can flip that round. I'll move this over here now. The next stage is to put the shelf on. Just pierce this. The bottom side with the screws in, and the nice acacia finish on the top side. And then you just got one at the back, one at the front. Final stage is to attach the L brackets. You want these facing each other, so you want 2 on each. You can see here, just match these up. Again, you can hand tighten first and then make sure everything's in line. Right, so once they're all hand tight, you want to make sure this is in line, nice and flush with the outside joint of the leg. You want to make sure these are nice and tight, because obviously these are going to take quite a bit of pressure from the wings and whatever you're resting on the wings. And one of the smart features of this stand is the wings are actually connected to the legs. There's a lot more strength on the actual wings. Right, and then obviously last bit is onto the wings. These are really cool, nice and neat. You've got the Camera Gear logo, and then we've got the embossment of the logo at the back, and then these just literally slot in. So you can see here, they just slot in. They're also foldable, so they can fold down. In my opinion, it's probably the best looking stand in the world. Let me know your opinion. Yeah, just obviously these then also fold down. And if you're not using for a long time, easy removable. Same with the bottom acacia. You can stick that inside to keep it warm. With it being a natural wood, you do want to give it a coating of oil every 2 to 3 months. And then if it does start looking a bit grubby, good thing about natural woods is you can sand them down to bring the finish back out. But yeah, V2 mini stand, guys, absolutely amazing.